A dog that attacked a woman in Guntersville in 2021 was ordered by a circuit court to be euthanized today, December 13th. That attack left Terry Angel with several injuries that were severe, resulting in multiple skin graft surgeries.
But over the weekend, the court decided to postpone putting down the dog after receiving a motion from the owner asking the judge to reconsider the penalty. News 19's Mariah Wiggs explains where that leaves the case, and we want to warn you, the photos in this story you're about to see, some may consider graphic.
A ruling that was supposed to mark the end of a long journey for Terry Angel is postponed after the Alabama Supreme Court granted Havoc, the dog accused in her attack, a stay, delaying his euthanization process.
I was disgusted.
Angel and her lawyer were notified just 4 days before the dog was scheduled to be put down that the state Supreme Court stayed the order. The court is now considering an application to rehear the case. That means any final decision will be delayed for an unspecified time. Though shocked after hearing the kill order was stayed, Angel says she still believes justice will be served.
It is what it is. I mean, it was an unprovoked attack, you know, that my injuries were serious. They will come to the same conclusion. I have no doubt. It's just prolonging the inevitable.
Court documents from January show that an initial ruling found Havoc to be a, quote, dangerous dog, as defined under Emily's Law. Emily's Law allows a court to make that determination if the dog caused serious physical injury or death. The owner of the pit bull mix, Valina Jackson, tells me Havoc has no history of violence, and she believes the initial ruling was made in error.
If the prosecuting attorney says the dog's not aggressive, there's nobody that says the dog's aggressive, then why is the dog being bound as aggressive? It's not even the Emily's Law. He was in his home minding his business. And that's just how that was. I mean, if anybody should be liable, it should be me.
Angel and Jackson tell me they were friends before the incident. Angel says she was helping Jackson with medical assistance at her home when Havoc attacked. The circuit court ruled in January that until the scheduled date for euthanization, Havoc was to be impounded at the Guntersville Animal Hospital. The court also ordered Jackson to pay all veterinary care costs during Havoc's stay. Jackson then filed a request after the circuit judge's ruling. She hopes the Alabama Supreme Court overturns that ruling. If her wish is granted, she plans to take action of her own to prevent future accidents.
He's definitely going to go through more training, you know, but just for both of our safeties from here on out. I just don't think I would let him around many people, but my justice would be for Havoc to come home.
Now, the dog's owner, Valina Jackson, was charged with theft in October for allegedly trying to steal the dog from the animal shelter where it was being held. The court records show that Jackson is supposed to stand trial on that charge in April.